Hello, and welcome to another Mysteries Uncovered episode. Today, we're taking you to Bora Bora, one of the most amazing and appealing places on Earth. The South Pacific's smallest island is known for its overwater villas, white sand beaches, and crystal clear waters. But this island is more than simply stunning scenery. In this episode, we'll solve some of the puzzling riddles of Bora Bora that have confounded both natives and tourists for centuries. Starting this video by knowing the origin of Bora Bora. Bora Bora, with its stunning turquoise lagoon and lush green landscapes, has captivated people's hearts for centuries. While its beauty is undeniable, the mystery surrounding its origins has fueled speculation and debate. Some scientists believe that the island was formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago when the Pacific plate shifted and caused magma to rise to the surface. Over time, the hardened magma created a cone-shaped island that eventually eroded into the atoll we know today. Now let's look at the mysteries of this beautiful island. Mystery 1 is the disappearance of Princess Vamo. Princess Vamo, a beloved member of Bora Bora's royal family and a symbol of hope, disappeared while on a sailing trip with her husband and friends. Their boat wreckage was found on a nearby island, but they were not present. The cause of their disappearance remains a mystery, causing sadness and speculation among the people of Bora Bora. Next is the mysterious stone structure. The Moray Tapugapuatia is an ancient stone structure on Bora Bora used for religious ceremonies and human sacrifices. It was most likely built somewhere between the 10th and 16th centuries and brought to the island. Its purpose and origins are unknown, although it is thought to have been essential for ancient Polynesian navigation and significant occasions like chieftain coronations. It now attracts tourists from all over the world as a significant cultural and historical landmark. Another mystery of Bora Bora is the vanishing sands. Bora Bora's Matira Beach experiences unexplained sand loss, leaving a rocky shore. The reason behind this phenomenon is unclear, but theories include erosion caused by ocean currents or creatures like sand crabs. Nevertheless, Bora Bora's beauty still draws tourists to its unique charm and natural wonders. We appreciate your support as we uncover the mysterious secrets of Bora Bora. Bora Bora never fails to capture and attract tourists from all over the world with its long. We sincerely hope you liked watching these fascinating occurrences and will follow us on our future journey. For more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe and like.